Guys, welcome back. Today's word is catfish. This is a fish you can find a river and sea. Amidaya, this is literary taste. What is catfish? It is an edible fish with a flat head and a stiff crowd like hairs around its mouth and found in rivers and lakes and sea. Oh, what's this? Sorry, I never mentioned this. Please stop. Okay, in the name of fish, we are going to learn a word catfish. The term catfish originated from the 2010 American documentary Catfish. Catfish, which means to trick or attract someone by pretending on social media like Facebook, Instagram to be someone different. Now there is some awareness of catfishing. Hopefully, it's harder to get away with it. Catfishing is the phenomenon of people fabricating online identities, often to trick others into romantic relationships. என்னது புரியல வா அதாவது அன்னைக்கு ஃபேஸ்புக்கில் நீ ஒரு அழகான பொண்ணுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு பொண்ணு கூட சாட் பண்ணிக்கிந்தில்ல அது நான் தான். This word I have found in a movie where two boys fighting each other as one boy disguised as a girl and cheated his friend. The boy who was cheated asked to his friend, "Are you catfishing me?" He replied for that, "Yes, sorry, I catfished you." Okay, friends, I hope you would understand this word. I want to know how far do you have understood this word or get along this word. Make some examples and leave them in comment section. I will meet you next video. Till then, bye bye.